Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Ito po, update sa kalagayan ng Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Relax lang siya. Cool na cool. Ito, post ni Teo Moreno, 27 minutes ago. My time now is alas 12, no? Sabi niya, as of 11:35 a.m. today, ngayon, pasado alas 12 na, the old man is doing well. Relax lang tayo. The eagle never takes a flight without a battle plan. Until now, they cannot show him the warrant of arrest. So, isinare ni ito po yung si Pierre Ade, nakaupo lang. Presumably sa Camp Crame ito. At isinare ni Teo Moreno itong sasalita si PRRD, relax na relax. Pansinin nyo. Kaya tayo po, relax din tayo. Dapat follow the leader. Kasi baka mamaya, ninenervyos na kayo dyan, hindi na kayo makakain, kung ano-ano nang iniisip nyo. Sundin natin ang ating leader. Ito, kini-question ni PRRD yung kausap niya, hindi na ipakita kung abogado ba yon, pulis ba yon. Hinahanap niya yung warrant of arrest, wala pa daw maipakita.
On the basis for detention. So, what is the law and what is the crime that I committed?
Yun.
Show to me now the legal basis for my being here. As apparently I was brought here not of my own
Volition.
If somebody else says, kung hindi ibang tao, ikaw siguro, because this is your structure. So you have to answer now for the deprivation of liberty.
So, ulitin natin ha. Play again.
For detention, and the basis for detention. So, what is the law and what is the crime that I committed? Show to me now the legal basis for my being here. As apparently I was brought here not of my own volition. If somebody else says, kung hindi ibang tao, ikaw siguro, because this is your structure. So you have to answer now for the deprivation of liberty.
So, yun. Up to now, sabi ni Teo Moreno, wala silang maipakita na warrant of arrest galing sa ICC. Ulitin ko itong post ni Teo Moreno ha. As of 11:35 a.m. today, the old man is doing well. Relax lang tayo. Okay? Relax lang po. Huwag magnervyos. Mga kapwa ko dyan, senior citizen na nagmamahal kay PRRD, I believe na nininervyos na kayo. The best thing that you can do is to pray for our president. Kita nyo, habang nagsasalitang Pangulo, wala sang sense of fear o nininervyos na, wala. Tinatanong niya, what is the legal basis? Bakit nyo dinala ako dito? It's against my volition. Nasaan? Walang maisagot yung ano. Until now, they cannot show him the warrant of arrest. Magbasa tayo ng mga comments. Uy, update. Sabi ni Teo Moreno ha. Update. May ipinakita na silang warrant of arrest. So ano kayang warrant, Teo Moreno? Galing daw sa office ni BBM. Bakit galing sa office ni BBM? Abusive authority, girason pa ang ICC. So ano kayang klaseng, tingnan natin. Anong next po? Teo Moreno. Is it real or they just make it para may maipakita? O nga, kay kung may warrant of arrest galing ICC, dapat doon pa lang sa airport, ipinakita na yung warrant of arrest. Sabi ni Secretary Bello, yung dating Labor Secretary, ang ipinakita lang is just a document na nandoon ang pangalan ni PRRD, mga personal information na. So, ang dating Pangulo, dahil ayaw niya nang sumama rin. Pagdating doon sa Camp Crame, wala pa rin na ipakita, but as of now, may ipinakita na galing daw sa opisina ng Pangulo. So, malalaman natin mamaya kung anong klaseng dokumento yung basihan nila. Rico, Generes, baka galing recto, warrant. Galing recto. Dandre Dulay, my heart feels heavy, but for some good, dumb, unexplained reason, I feel calm. Like the universe is unraveling and the only thing to do is let everything come to pass to see the ultimate outcome. Evil will not prosper. Never had, never will. Tama yun. Relax lang po tayo. Joan Maturan. Lord Jesus, please protect our beloved Tatay Digong. Charlotte May Lee. This angers me. Not enough curse words for what is happening. Allen Piquero Georgison. Tatay is the toughest man I've ever known. Laban lang. Tay, andito lang kami. Evil will not prosper and never will. Yun po. Tama. Cha Bandigan. I believe in Tatay Digon. They can never put a good man down. Bernadette Obial. He has the purest of heart. He is just as ready sa lahat sa mga mangyayari while we are so worried about him. His God may not be our God, but I know that He will protect him all throughout. Thank you, Tay PRRD. You're the only president in my lifetime who made our country proud. Mahigpit na yakap po. Okay, so hintayin natin ang mga wala silang maipakitang warrant of arrest, but later on, nakaproduce na, galing daw sa opisina ng presidente. So ano kayang warrant of arrest yun? Relax lang po tayo. At mga kaibigan, salamat sa inyong panonood sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa Tribong Talaandig dahil ang sweldo sa ating channel, tinutulong natin sa tribo na mimigay tayo ng yero at pako para ma-repair ang sira-sirang bahay ng tribo. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Karon naa nami diri sa Masimag ug among bisitaw